Hi, my name is Alissa Walls, and I teach art history at SUNY Oneonta. There is a 12 by 43-foot space in front of the mural on the ground, and the first thing I knew I just had in my head, I needed to have 1.5-inch artificial grass to bring something green, and that was sort of the jumping off point for the show called Day of the Deer. This one is unusual in that the installation grows over a period of 10 months. So I add a new element to it every day. So I'm always on the clock, if you will. And as I like to keep saying, every day is the day of the deer. There is a small concrete deer whose rear leg is exposed by rebar, and it is sort of painted white and chipping off paint. The centerpiece is a sort of pseudo-secular altarpiece to the deer. There is also on the floor space a couch from 1978 that was sitting in my living room growing up that I also had this idea had to be in a show. On the right-hand side is a blown-up text from the Audubon book and other works by me. I've had conversations with support staff, custodial staff, administrators, faculty members, students, people talking about their scientific research, people who come to me telling me about their deer stories of encountering deer, hunting deer, hitting deer, and their general feelings about deer, whether they like them or not for eating their hostas or their flowers or things like that. So it does seem to be a topic that people like to talk about, and Oneonta is like Deer Central. I do think about the way nature is represented. Why does it feel so good to stand on 1.5-inch fake carpet? And why is the whole world, concrete? I think what I was trying to do here is I do want students to see how something comes into being from beginning to end, and I also want them to see the possibility that you should be able to make art, whether it's painting, photograph, a drawing, a print, a sculpture, whether you make it yourself or purchase it. Like, all of these resources should be on the table for you and at your disposal.